Hello my dear crafters, I'm very happy to see you again on my channel. If you're first time here, I'm Vita, and on this channel we knit, crochet, we talk and do different kind of crafts, mostly knitting, but as you see today I bring my little toys and I want to talk about my other passion, which is amigurumi. And as you know, I am mostly posting videos about knitting, but knitting it's not all I do. I used to knit even jewelry, and I'm passionate about amigurumi toys. And here I found my little box with a small amigurumis, and I want to show you them because I'm preparing for the market, for the craft market, first time in my life, because I have plenty of socks and hats and mittens and all stuff I have at home that I need to sell, try to sell. And now before Christmas probably this is a good idea. Then here I just want to talk in this video about my little toys, and I will start with this little guy here. This is, let me take the box out and we will talk about them one by one. This is actually my first ever amigurumi bear I've done. I've done it by some tutorial on YouTube, and this is first ever toy. Then I found it like a little bit, no character, and I decided that I need to learn and make some toys which will have character. Then other one, I was making some hearts. Look, this kind of hearts I've done a lot. I think they look very cute, and I used to put it on my bag, and I think it's very nice. Let me know in the comments if you would like some tutorial about this heart, because I think it's very nice shape and proportions, and I just like it. And by the way, if you want to support the channel, just put your like and leave some comments, even if it will be just a little smile. It will help to promote the channel, and it will help other nice and lovely people like you see my channel. Then this was another one. Then I've done this kind of stuff. I was learning basically, and then I was doing some normal size toys, but then I decided to try like mini and micro amigurumis. And this box here, which I have, it's my experiences in experiments on this thing. I will show you other toys which I am preparing for the market too, but in another video probably, because they are bigger one. And these are my small little amigurumis. Then I've got, they are all kind of same thing. I was walking in different shape for body and legs and stuff, and all of them, as you see, they made with a separate members. Then you can move all these hands and legs. I was using some certain technique to connect it. Look, he has even a little tail, and all these parts are done separately, and you can move it all. And this I like about this type of amigurumi. This is my little sad bunny, and I was experimenting with facial expressions, as you see. That's why I was like all interested. I was trying to find some nice shape for legs, for hands, and a proportion for the body, because it's very important, proportions. Then I think I quite succeed. And this was made like a long time ago, around like 10 years ago or something. And here we have a panda. This, I've got this nice model when you make a head from the nose, and it's like, as you see here, this not part, I don't know what you call it, nozzle, this part is separate, and then you need to knit it, to sew it on the head. But on this model, you see, all head is made as a one piece. Then you start from nose and then you make up. I tried several ways to do this, and I think this was quite success. And then you finish it here as well. This lovely pose, all moving. You can sit him down, and you see the size, they are really small, and I use them like a chain, keychain. This koala, a little bit different shapes of ears. You see here I have double ears, the same principle. The face, I was looking on pictures of the animals and creating these little bodies. And I think I have notes about each of these toys. Probably would be a good idea to make tutorial about these lovely little animals. And here on this one, I just think he's extremely cute with this all sewing on it. This is a little teddy bear, the same model of the head. I think it's very cute one. Look at him. I just love my little toys. And the thing is, when you have a pattern, you can make it with any other type of yarn, and if you make it with a thick plush yarn, it will be like big one, But this was, I think, acrylic yarn, and probably like 1 millimeter hook. No, not one, maybe 1.5, 175 millimeters hook. I don't remember now which hook I was using, but very small, as you see. Let's see what other ones we have. This is another bear, a little bit bigger. You see, this yarn was a little bit thicker, and I think, yes, I just sew this head on top to don't lose. And this lovely ears down here. It's kind of Christmas bear, the same way. Legs, look, lovely belly. I love these little bellies, if you see. I love this shape, but he has kind of very small bum. When I do toys now, I leave belly and bum as well. But and many toys I've sold, and many toys I gave as a present. Then this is just a smaller part which I have now. Now I have a couple of funny ones. This has full body. Yeah, legs go in. You start with legs and then you join here and continue in a round. I have some very funny one which my partner took, and he really have very funny shape, and maybe I will make a picture and put it somewhere here. And definitely they have a character, if you see. This one is kind of surprised. And I just like these little things. Look how small they are, and very cute to put on your bag or something. Then very popular. This one has full body as well, and even a little finger here. I think here I just sew the hands, double ears, and he has a little bum, look. Then very popular was my black sheep. I was doing normal sheep, but black sheep was quite popular, and people was liking this kind of keychain. This is a special yarn, and that's how my little sheep looks like. This is the bear. I think the same as this one, but made with a very, very thin yarn. This one, I wouldn't be able to do it now because my eyes are not so good anymore. But I've done a couple of them. One is living on my Viola case, and this one was with a 1 millimeter hook with very, very thin cotton yarn. And look, attention, it's still moving all his members. He is lovely. I think this is kind of piece of art. I don't think I will sell it. I think I will leave it for somebody very special, or just for myself, because I am special too. And what else I have in this box? Just this last things. When I was doing crocheting with beads, it's a special technique. I was using it for create some jewelries. Then some of them I've done just with the beads. This is the same heart, but I've done it with the beads. This technique, you put your beads, all beads, or you put it first on a thread. I used very thin cotton thread, maybe this kind of thread, and then you put all beads on. I think these beads are like 8mm beads. Oh, no, not a day, number 8. I don't remember. I was obsessed with the beads, and I made a lot of things with beads. And now, you know, I will show you probably some jewelry as well. But this was my another chains with beads, and it was experiments. They was quite popular as well, and people like to have them because they are kind of squishy and nice to have. And if you're a tactile person, this is a very nice thing to do. And probably, you know, if you're interested, talk to me, and maybe we will make some tutorial one day. And that's basically all what I wanted to show you today. And I will go and prepare for my market, and maybe I'll show you something else. That's it. Thank you for watching. I am very grateful for your that you spent your time with me, and I'll see you on the next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to support, and bye bye, and make this world a warmer place with your art and with your passion, because we need for those who we love, and that's what's important. Okay, bye bye, see you.